So I'm at SpinRewriter.com. Click on Login, fill in your username and password. Then I click on the top box, Rewrite Your Articles, and paste my article in here. So here's my article, and then come down and I click on the X. Yes, I want to spin my original text on paragraph and sentence level, and I'll check off I want SpinRewriter to automatically rewrite complete sentences. Yes. I want SpinRewriter to automatically rewrite entire paragraphs. Yes. You can have it add additional paragraphs, and you can have SpinRewriter automatically change the entire structure of phrases and sentences. That really spins your article very well. And then I just click on I'm feeling lucky. And here it is. It's given options for the main title, and throughout the article there are lots of brackets and pipes giving many different options to the variety of sentences that it can create. Then I just copy my article from here and paste it into my HTML editor, add my HTML code, and then take this, once the code is added, and put it into Ranking Factory software. And that wraps up this tutorial.